So here are the second video, and now we are going to have the green ones and the blue ones. I think we are starting with the blue star. Yeah, you can call it stars, or you can call it snow flakes. And you have some written page with stars again. Background. A little vintage. And here we have the same, the snow and the stars. Dotted page again. And here we have a beautiful, I think it's really nice. And here we have, you see it's good in the coordination of the colors. You see the blue, and here you have the blue again with the Sampa. So that was the blue. Now we turn over to the red, no, to the green, sorry. Green. Christmas flowers, red and white, and a really big page that you can write on. Backgrounds. I call it medaljon in Swedish. I don't know what you say in English. And here we crack it, background and some berries and branches. Yeah. And here we have a view over the forest. It's like a picture. Background, green, yeah, and here we have a green background again, as you see, cracked, and dots over here. So I'm going to have them loaded up today. So bye.